There is an emergency. Let's go for the rescue. Kiki, the mine has collapsed, and the miners are buried inside. We need to rescue them immediately. Okay, Hank and I will get ready to get into the mine. Put on protective equipment before searchlight. Protective mask. Explosion-proof toolkit. Folding stretcher. Searchlight. Protective mask. Life detector. Lifting air cushion. The equipment is ready. Come on, let's set out quickly. The mine may collapse at any time. Let's hurry up. Tap and hold. It's a miner's hat. Check out for miner with the life detector. Tap on corresponding number key to see which frequency band can receive sound waves. There is a signal. The miner's sound waves are around here. Let's check it out. Oops! The support frame of the mine is broken. Let's fix it quickly. The support frame is fixed. Let's hurry up and move ahead. Oh no! Falling rocks are blocking the road. Break the rocks quickly. The road is cleared. Find the trapped miner quickly. Oh no! The miner is trapped by collapsed slates. Let's get him out. Drag the lifting air cushion and put it under the slates. Turn the gas cylinder switch to inflate the air cushion. Great! The miner is saved. Let's get out of the mine. Momo, we helped the miner out. Let's send him to a nearby hospital for treatment. Yeah, great job! Fire rescue task is complete. It's amazing to be a firefighter. Wow, here are the coins from my hard work.